I mean, it's not that easy, and of course, it's very tough. But then it's not like something very impossible because you need to be multitasking, And then I keep on telling, and I actually believe in when you organize your thing, when you plan your stuff. So it is not that hard. But then again, it's like you said that this company is also like a child to me, and then I have my child. So for me, both are similar, and both needs attention at the same time. So this is something tough for a mother, like to give the child as well as the company also needs when both are in the growing stage. That depends, like it's actually whosoever needs attention, I had to be there, like because my child online classes are also going on, then I have to take care of the office. When he needs me, I go there. That's impromptu again. And then when I had to take some urgent call, I have to take it, because then I cannot neglect any of the one. Both actually is equally important for me. I would say both, because both are in the growing stage. Like I have to give equal attention. If I give a little more attention to my child, because even he is growing and I need to see his progress as well. The same applies with my company also, because I need to keep track on how it is going. And if I say that it's my child's whole life, then I also have to say that the company is not only associated with me, but also with lot other people's and the team as a whole. And I'm really grateful that I have a very, very good team, that sometimes when I need a little time for myself or probably for my child, the team is so cooperative that I don't have to think much about it. I can trust on them. And yes, that is equally important. Like if I say, when I'm working, my child cooperates, the same thing goes with when I am with my child, my team cooperates. So it's equally important. And I won't say that my child, I mean, it's harder to tackle my child or it's harder to tackle my company. I would say that both are same for me. The biggest challenge is to get a little space for myself when you sit and work peacefully, like when you're home. And the other day also, I was thinking, and I was just thinking it with one of my friend, and then I suddenly realized I earlier used to find, like if you have a worship place inside your home, why do you go out to the temple and worship? Of course, I love listening to music that actually takes away my stress. I like doing some workout, and that's very important for health as well, because during this COVID time, pandemic time, our mobility is actually it got decreased, and so it's very important that we take some time out for oneself. It not only helps the physical health of us, it helps the mental health as well. So I like doing workout when I'm free. And obviously I'm not a TV person, but yes, I do read books. I like to do some research. But honestly, whenever I get time, my the rest of my time, which is my me time also, I try to dedicate it to the company, because business is something not like 9:30 to 6:30 job. It's like it needs attention. I mean, if you have 24 hours, I think 24 hours is also less sometimes. Take care of his health, or probably his rest of the things. He takes care of his studies, and yeah, mostly he does take care of my son. So it's quite helpful for me that he's there. One third part of my work, or probably you can say almost 60 to 70% of my work is been taken care of. I earlier also said that if you organize your stuff, you plan for next day, it is not that tough that you cannot handle. But yes, not every day is the same. I mean, it's not like I have made a routine and the routine is going likewise as expected, because every day is not same. It gets difficult. So sometimes definitely I as a mother things that I'm not able to do justice sometimes to my child and sometimes to my business, and that makes me stressful. Although, but then yes, there is always the next day, so I take it positively and I try to actually judge myself where I went wrong and I want to fix it the next day, or probably I would somewhere write it down so that I cannot, or I don't cannot afford to do that mistake again, or I would not rather prefer to do that mistake again. It's hard for them, although they are children, but they are socially, they needs to be socially engaged. Like they miss their friends, they miss talking to people, because during the working hours we all are busy doing our work, and he missed that attention, so he misses all those things, and which is I think very important, because he also needs his own time, he also needs friends to socialize. For other working mothers, I would like to say that you are human at the end of the day. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be loved at the end of the day. So it's not that you have to be perfect all the time. Things might go wrong, but that's okay. That's absolutely fine. So take life as it is, as the way it is coming, and chill. I mean, you don't have to like take too much of stress, that there is to handle, there is home to handle, and then of course you need your personal space as well. I would also like to advise, it's, if you can take at least an hour for yourself, even if it is exercise or nothing at all, you're sitting alone, that would be easy for you to handle the rest of the day.